made it a full 18 miles today. Longest distance I've ever hiked in a single day, and longest distance I've ever hiked with a backpack on my back in a single day. It's crazy. Here's where I'm camping in. Trail vegetarian, just to show that it can be done and that it doesn't make you weak. It doesn't, take anything away from you. You just need to plan it a little bit. You need to think about your nutrition, and everyone should anyways, because we live in a time where we can. Food is medicine, and you need to use that to your advantage to accomplish your goals, whatever they are.